Yeah. Good afternoon, guys. Today's class is about what are the topics we have covered till now. I'll give some tasks on all the topics in today's class. Okay. I'll explain you each and every. I'll explain you the task so that you can continue with your work. Okay. I'll give all of them in a Word document. Okay. First of all, I have to share the screen, right? I think you can see my screen. Yeah. Mm, tasks. You can do these tasks in your project only, whatever the project we are working on. In the same project you can do in the industry only. If you want to change the names of your project, you can change it, and also try to change the background images, okay, to look more uh, beautifully. Okay. Now, already we have done with the customer and admin. Already we have done with admin, customer, right? Now try to do we have done with this, and this also we have done. In admin we have a task pending on change password. When, okay, or else I will give the pending task now, and also the task what you are uh, going to do. Okay. Now first of all, in admin we have completed. First of all, I will check it up to where we have done, and I will give the tasks. Okay. If you have two windows like this, you have to break the one server and you have to run the next project. Okay. If not, if you try to run if you want to run both the projects, the server which is saved before in previous project, that will run. Okay. Or else you can close this pie chunk. You can close the previous window and you can start with the new window. Okay. If the project loaded like this, simply click Control Shift and R. It will get refreshed. Okay. Yeah. After refreshing, you will all the content in the website will get refreshed. Okay. We have done with first of all, I will check in admin. In admin, we have done up to, yeah. Okay, we have added category, add category view, category, add products, product. We have done add. Okay, in add, why I'm getting like this? Login. Yeah, in here I have given a link of admin login. That's why immediately after clicking this product, it was going to admin login. Okay. in add product. And okay, we are also done with the view products also. View customers. Okay, try to do change password in admin. Okay, uh, change password. Okay, in customer view products. Okay, in admin we have another pending task that is nothing but in view products. I'll try to align this. Okay, I'll align this. Okay. Project. Okay. In admin side, we will have pending task is change password. Okay, change password. In products, you will have a pending task called in view products. In product, you have the pending task on update and delete. Okay, you have a pending task on view products to update the product, and you can also delete the product. Okay, I think okay, change password, and in products, in view products, you have to complete update and delete. Okay, and in customer you have to do view products. View products. Okay, view products. Now after this, after completion of these modules, try to do vendor module, new module. Okay, you have to create new module. If you do this module, you can able to understand whole flow of the project. Okay, in vendor module, what are the basic functionalities you have to do is home, mm, home, profile, change password, logout. Okay, these are the things you have to do in your vendor. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, if you have any doubts, even single doubt, try to ping me so that I can clarify your doubts. Whatever the doubts you have, I'll clarify it. Okay, in admin the pending functionalities are these functionalities, and in customer you have to complete these functionalities. This is here also. In customer you have to uh, view the products in card format. Okay, don't use tables and don't display the product simply. Okay, try to do in card format. Okay, you have to show the products in card format only. And also in vendor you have to add home profile. In profile also you have to do edit, and don't do delete, but okay, do delete only. Okay, do delete. Vendor, first of all you have to do registration also. Registration. Okay. Registration, login, and after login you have to do home. These, if you complete these functionalities in your website, so that you will get a clarity on CRUD operations. Okay, create, retrieve or read, update and delete, all these four operations, so that you will get more clarity in these four operations. Okay, don't skip these functionalities, or don't skip these tasks. Okay, you have to do it for sure. Okay, I'll share this content in our group also. Just well, it will looking what better. In vendor, you have to complete registration. Fields, uh, whatever the fields you want, you can give here, but you have to include image for sure. Okay, uh, I'll give, okay, or I will give some fields also. Name, name, password, image, address, city, etc. Whatever the fields you want, you can give here. Okay, your wish. Whatever the fields you want to give, you can give. No problem in that. But try to give a small, okay, smaller font. So if you give capital letters, you also keep the capital letters in your models. Okay, I'll change it to small. If you use capital letters also, there is no problem with that. But the thing is, this is a Pythonic way of writing the code. Okay, you have to write in this format only. If you can, it will work if you don't write like this also. But whatever the things you are going to do, you have to do it very professionally. Okay, try to do these functionalities in a professional manner, so that uh, it will be more helpful for your future reference, and also you'll have more clarity in this. Okay, in real time also, you will do projects in the same format, but you'll have a slight changes in that. Okay, if you have a great knowledge in this, you can do that very easily. Okay, for your you have to do for your reference only. Okay. Mm. Registration, login, profile edit, change password, logout. Okay, in logout also, don't simply redirect the page. In this you will do session management. Okay, you have to do login and logout by using this session management only. A session management will cover in this logout. The session will get deleted and it will come out of the vendor module or customer module. If not, when you try to click a back button here, it will go into your page and anyone can make any changes in your profile. So try to avoid uh, try to avoid skipping these kind of small code. Okay, you have to it is very important. Okay, it is about 1 to 2 lines, that's it, but it is very important. Session management is only one line, deleting session is only one line. Okay, in login also you have to give the session. Okay. Mm. Yeah, okay, try to do all these tasks in tomorrow's class. We will have some basic, I'll share some basic knowledge about git and all. Okay, git and all. Okay. Okay, that's all about rest class. If you have any doubts, ping me on WhatsApp. Okay. I'll share this in our group.